I don't give a damn. Call the security. Call them. They will walk me out, but with my own money. Yeah. People. I knew you see you in Nigeria. Yo, I knew that's gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. That's why I was telling my friend I don't wanna leave. Call the security for me, bro. Like, call the security for me. And they were gonna bring the owner or whatever, and then they're gonna bring the police. I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. That's why women they do that to you guys. You guys are not. How can you collect someone? How can you collect someone? And then you're gonna tell him, you wanna give her money?
Yeah. Can you please come and flash this young lady?
No, I want my money. I want my money. I want my money. I will go when I have my money with me. Guys, this guy, I met him last night, guys. I think you got the video. I won't live here, guys, without having my own money. I won't live here without having my own money. This guy is taking advantage of me. He must call the security. It's where I'm going to make a lot of drama. Never. Never. This guy is taking advantage of me now, guys. Please. Please, guys.
Okay.
Yes. Call the security. I don't give a damn. I am not gonna go, guys. You see, this guy, I met him in the club, guys. Please.
Your money's here.
Which money? That was not our agreement. I can't take $20.
Okay.
For what? You have money. Yes, we talked. Me and you in the club.
This is
we talked.
$140. That's $2,000.
Why don't you give me hundreds? I can't take 20.
Are you gonna tell me what denomination to give you?
Oh wow.
Give me your fucking money.
You too. You too. I want my money. I can't go with this money. What is so difficult for you to take $20 and then give me 100? What is so difficult for you? I want my money. No, guys, please. This guy, you will see. You will see. Or else something we're gonna break here, or it's either we take your phone or either we do. Call the police. You will see what South Africa is going. It's a law. It's a law in South Africa. Call. It's a law in South Africa. Guys, see this guy. I met him in the club. This one. People, I don't give a damn. I knew that's why. No, you see when I was in the car, I didn't know that you're in Nigeria. Okay, you will see.
Give a damn self.
I don't give a damn. You will see. Oh, okay, I want my money. I can't live without my money. I can't. Forget. Why? What is so difficult for you to give me my money?
Are you insane?
Who said you are a bank? Did I say you are a bank?
Do I look like a bank?
Did I say you are a bank? Did I say you are a bank?
Go change it at a fucking bank.
I said.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Nigerian man goes viral ngemva kokuthi amuke nasiswa la South Africa batholane eklabini obathathane bayobhuka kushayo tenta khona ebusuku kube busy ekuseni mjida sofuna kuhamba akasafuna ikhipha amashumi gela athi there is no way athi asoze uhlale ungangibhadala imali yami makumele ngikhoze idrama ongidoyikhoza ngisho bithi ama-security it's fine ngila ngitokhoza khona idrama yangempela because what you think ungangithatha eklabhini ubiye nami lana ungafuni ukungikhokhela ayibhadala bhuti lokhu yajika-jika usefonini azivisisa ufonela abana and the girl is even saying ukuthi bengafuni nje mina kuhamba nawe itolo ngoba ngikubona ukuthi ul-Nigeria niyahlupha nina ema-Nigeria guys mantombazana la South Africa they are in business busy or you cannot just go with her uhambe naye ihotela niyolala khona ungawakhiphi imashumi ekuseni otherwise uzotrenda or uzoboshwa because bayasebenza amantombazane akubusiness wayendele ukudlala this thing afuna imali so wena ma ungafuni ukukhokha udotrenda njengalobhuti sembona trenda nje utrendiswa ngiko ukuthi akafuni ikhipha imali bantu abaningi they reacted to this video lapha inkundleni yokuxhumana basho ukuthi eyimantombatana se-South Africa vele ithanda imali kepha-ke bahlala basho ukuthi hayi imisebenzi ayikho e-South Africa so nabo bathi phande lapho seswethu inkosi yami bafuna imali ngiko njena sibona ukuthi baze bafune nemali emavuso ekuseni. And these guys, they know ukuthi mawuthatha girl eklabini vele ekuseni you need to pay. It's not like it's something that they don't know by heart. but for some reason bakhona labanye labangafuni khokha but girl uthi there is no way awuyenzayo wena ungakangibhadali imali yami. I wonder story sabo siphelele phi. I really wanted to see part 2 ukuthi ugirl uthini. The guy ended up paying imali yemavuso or vele ugqine mfana hamba, but knowing these girls ne ngeke uhambe ungakambhadali imali yakhe. I think lapha endlini azangakhona nokuphuma lo mfana probably lo girl ukhile wathatha skhiya wathi hayibo wena you're not going anywhere without paying me my money. She's even saying ukuthi unemali wena but you don't wanna pay me. Hey guys, ngoba sihlala sisho ukuthi Nigeria they are taking advantage of mantu batanese South Africa. Honestly speaking, shem nkosi yami ababathanzi shem ababathanzi abatendisi. That's why they always embarrass them, babahlupha babashaya baqhusha ama-drugs babathengisisa ama-drugs. Tonke tinto letimbi nje labafana base-Nigeria abatendisa mantu batanase South Africa. Do comment your thoughts when are down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.